In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple Pay in Singapore. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Apple Pay is widely accepted in Singapore, making it a convenient way to pay for goods and services. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use it contactlessly, so you will be able to replace your card with your phone to issue payments with any valid payment method, or how to use it for digital purchases. So first, set up Apple Pay. For you to use Apple Pay, you need to add a valid payment method, usually a credit or debit card, to your Apple Wallet. So open the Settings application, and in there you can go over to Wallet and Apple Pay. You can also directly open your Apple Wallet, whatever you prefer. Make sure that Apple Wallet and Apple Pay are enabled, and you will be able to tap the Add Card or the plus sign option at the top right corner of the screen. In there, follow the instructions and you will be able to add your credit or debit card. Some prepaid cards from participating banks can also be accepted, but for the most part, it is best to use a standard credit or debit card. Now, follow through the instructions on screen. You will be able to use your camera to scan the card and automatically fill out all of the details, or manually type out the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once everything is laid out, you might need to verify that you are the owner of the card, and once this is done, you will see the card under your Apple Wallet. Now you are good to issue payments. So if you want to use Apple Pay for payments contactlessly in store, just double tap or hold the home button or the side button, depending on your model of iPhone. Now you will see a screen similar to this one, where the card is going to be selected. You can browse through all the cards that you have, and all that you have to do now is physically place your phone near the card reader. As long as you physically place your phone near the card reader, the card is going to be used to issue that payment, and you will be good to go. For digital purchases, just proceed to checkout and select the option to pay with Apple Pay. You will see an order summary, and you can confirm the card that you are using to issue that payment. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Pay in Singapore. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.